Welcome to the JMT.
My people, now well done. Oh. I greet you now. If this is the first time we wanna watch this our video, come across this our video, I beg me gonna do it to go follow us and subscribe. As you subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our ogbonge updates go to drop enter your phone. Oh. This one not be them say this one I see her for yourself, make you hear her for yourself. Oh. Moving on to today's matter where they are rising. Mr. President don't sign and he don't approve 185 billion naira for palliative. We say one thing can help the poor based on transport and food stuff where don't dear now. My people, I beg this one. I only want to go fit talk and make una hear what this man get to talk. Say Baba T don't do. Make una listen and make una watch this video reach the end and make una also drop on a comment for comment section.
Has expressed serious concerns as regards increasing cost of food items, increasing cost of transportation, amongst others, as a result of subsidy removal. In order to cushion the effect of the subsidy removal, the federal government of Nigeria has released 5 trucks of rice to each state last week. Furthermore, in order to cushion the effect of food shortages across the country, the federal government has approved the sum of 5 billion naira to be given to each state for the procurement of 100,000 bags of rice, 100,000 bags of rice, 40,000 bags of maize, and fertilizers. This funding has to be shared with a formula as follows. 52% of this money is given to states as grants, while 48% of the 5 billion naira is to be paid back on an installment basis within a period of 2 years, 20 months to the CBN by the states and the local government areas in Nigeria. The Council, as well as the CBN, and we have also commended the efforts of NEMA in cushioning the effect of the subsidy removal. Council has taken bold decision in order to ensure speedy release of grains and other items in order to cushion the effect of subsidy removal to the less privileged in the society. Council has also taken note of the $800 million loan and should be strictly used for its intended purpose and based on accurate and acceptable register. The 800 million announced by the President will go to Nigerians in accordance with an accurate social register. Furthermore, Council has also noted the package that was announced by President in order to cushion the effect of the subsidy removal, amounting to about 500 billion naira. And this fund has to be distributed to the following sectors: MSMEs, industrial sector, cash transfer, about 125 billion naira will go to cash transfer, agricultural sector, as well as gas expansion for buses. Because of the increasing cost of fossil fuel, the federal government has intended to establish more gas stations in Nigeria, procure more gas-powered buses, CNG buses, as well as electric buses in order to cushion the effect of the subsidy removal. Furthermore, NEMA will also liaise with states to distribute foodstuffs to the people immediately, especially those that are affecting the frontline states that are bordering the Niger Republic because of influx of refugees. The Council has also tasked the state to dialogue with the labor union's leadership. A committee made up of Anambra State Governor, NGF Chairman, and others have been nominated to interface with labor. The most important thing that the Council has taken note is that all these palliatives that are being mentioned now are temporary solutions. Council has decided to invest on medium and longer term sustainable solutions that will ensure availability of food and non-food items in Nigeria, especially investing in commercial agriculture and also investing in irrigated agriculture. NEC is calling on Nigerians and indeed labor to become law-abiding, as the President is determined to address the issues at hand. Thank you.
DJ